Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet these lovely bluebell flowers with leaves. You can use this as a keychain or as a bag charm. I used a medium worsted weight yarn, and with it I used a 3.5 mm crochet hook. We'll make the flowers first. Make a slip knot and then work 9 chains. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and single crochet in rest of the chains. Chain 1 and turn. Now we'll skip the first stitch. That's the first stitch. You will not work into it, and into the next stitch work a single crochet and then work single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So totally 5 stitches. Then make 3 chains and turn. And now you will work into 2 chains, the second and the third chain from the hook. Then work single crochet in the next 5 stitches. You'll work the next single crochet in the chain 1 space. Repeat the last 2 rows 3 more times. So chain 1, you'll skip the first stitch and work single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Chain 3 and turn. Now work single crochet in the second and the third chains. Single crochet in 5 stitches, then single crochet in the last chain 1 space. Repeat 2 more times. Now we'll join the ends together. So fold this into half. Now we'll join the ends together by working single crochet into the first 6 stitches. Now you can cut the yarn off, leaving a long tail. Thread the free end of yarn through your yarn needle. Now you have to bring the free end of yarn to the top. Then we have to close the opening, so weave in through all the stitches around the top and pull the yarn tight. Now insert the needle through the center of the flower and pull the free end of yarn through the other side. And then pull the flower inside out. Your bluebell flower is ready. Make one more. Now we'll make the leaves using green. Make a slip knot and work 9 chains. Single crochet in the second chain from hook, half double crochet in the next chain, double crochets in the next 4 chains, half double crochet in the next chain, and single crochet in the next chain. Then we'll make the next leaf, work 11 chains, single crochet in second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in next 4 chains, half double crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. There are 2 more chains, slip stitch in the next chain. Then make 13 chains. Then work a slip stitch in the next chain. And then another slip stitch at the beginning of the first leaf. Then cut the yarn off and weave in the loose end. I always prefer to use a smaller hook for hiding the yarn ends. You can also use your yarn needle. Okay, now we can attach the flowers. For that, take the green yarn and insert it in between the two leaves, and I'll make a knot because it will be more stable and stay in place. You won't have the fear of it coming off. Okay, and then I'll make a few chains, maybe 5 or 6. I made 5 chains. Pick up the yarn that's at the top of the flower and insert it through the loop and tighten the loop, and then you can cut this yarn off and hide in the loose ends of yarn. You can either go up the chains or hide it inside the flower, whichever you find it easier. You can do it. Similarly, attach another flower also. I made 6 chains for this. After hiding in all the loose ends of yarn, we can add some more details to it. This is the back side, this is the front. You can take a bead like this with a large hole. You can insert it into this loop. And you can sew a button here. Or if you don't have a bead with a large enough hole, you can just simply wrap the yarn a few times around the bottom of the loop, and you can sew a button beneath it between the two leaves. I hope you like this pattern. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel. You can click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.